Hello, first grade mathematicians. Welcome to your math job for today. Today, your job, mathematicians, is going to be to find 3D objects around your home. Then build a structure with your objects. Your last step will be to take a Class Dojo video of yourself explaining what objects you used and what 3D shapes you have. For example, I built a throne. To build my throne, I used spheres, rectangular prisms. These books are examples of rectangular prisms. I used cylinders for the seat of my throne, and a combination of a cube and a cone sits on top of my royal throne. Have fun building, mathematicians, and I can't wait to see what you create.